Sarah Strittmatter. I work at Westridge Middle School as a 7th grade ELA teacher.
I think every campus would want to have a Miss Strittmatter because she shows up for her kids in every way, and that makes a connection that I think is incredibly valuable. The kids really feel heard and understood, and they love her for that.
She's like really open, hearted, and she's really kind. She makes everybody feel at home.
She includes everyone. She tries her best to make everyone feel safe, and she makes her classroom a fun environment to be in.
She makes the class more enjoyable for students that are not like shyness. You get out of that zone when you walk into a room.
I wasn't really good with speaking up and answering the questions in the class, but because she makes everyone feel welcome, I felt more confident.
Yeah, she used to connect with each student kind of individually, and her classroom was just really chill. It's good energy.
Okay, so the very best part of teaching is getting to work with my students every day, and then making sure that I have lessons and lesson plans that really value their own voices and that they have lots of choices along the way as well. That's very empowering.
She speaks to them with an excitement, she's excited to be there. She gets down on their level, she engages in conversations with them, and they feel so safe and inspired at the same time. She is truly a phenomenal, magical teacher, and I love being in her classroom.
I think her students never come in worried that she's going to judge them for asking questions or judge them for making mistakes. There's a level of respect and trust that she gives them as if they are adults when they walk into that classroom. And I think all of that kind of encompasses why she is Educator of the Year this year.